The simple storybook for kids generated over $176,000 in passive income. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to launch a similar business, starting from generating a book idea, the main content, to high quality illustrations, and all of that by using just the power of artificial intelligence technology. If you're interested in making passive income, keep watching it till the end, because I promise this video will have and contain valuable information you will not find anywhere else. While scrolling through Amazon looking for ideas for my business, I found many kids books on the websites, and I was wondering to myself, what is so many kids books doing on a website? And then I went in one of the kids books and saw how much sales these books are actually making. It's actually amazing the amount of sales that these books are making. And then I thought to myself, how can I do this? An idea just popped in my head. So if you look at this book, the wonderful things you will be, if you take the ratings of 27,907 ratings times $9.40, you get way over $262,000 on a single book. Imagine how crazy is that? Just selling a book, that's passive income. And if you look, this book was posted 2015. So we will be creating similar books using ChatGPT and Midjourney. So ChatGPT will create a script for us, and we'll get illustrations from Midjourney, and we'll pull up our book with the chapters, introduction and titles and stuff, and then post it on Amazon and generate cash. Let's have a look at ChatGPT. So I asked ChatGPT to create a storybook related to kids. Please write in English. And ChatGPT comes up with the title, The Magical Adventures of Sparkle and Friends. So I asked ChatGPT what's the story about, and as you can see, I said please write it in English, and it gives me a description of the story, The Magical Adventures of Sparkle and Friends. And if you read on, it's a whole description. And then I asked GPT what is the age range for. Please write in English. As you can see, ChatGPT gives me the age ranges and said the books is for, it says The Magical Adventure of Sparkle and Friends is for suitable for 4 to 8 years old. Then I asked ChatGPT to give me an outline of and the chapters of the story, and it gives me the outline. As you can see, the outline is below. It gives me all the chapters and the points, chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 6, 7, 8 till like chapter 12. And then I asked ChatGPT now to start writing each chapter. As you can see, ChatGPT is outlining chapter 2, it's writing the description for chapter 3, and writes the description for chapter 4. It's so easy to generate a story with ChatGPT. You can do it in less than 20 minutes. It will write everything for you, the outline of the chapters, all the chapters. It's mind-blowing how fast we can write the book without doing it ourselves. It's time to look at Midjourney. You have to come to this Midjourney website and sign up. So once you in Midjourney, you'll be directed to a Discord. The Discord is where you'll type imagine and ask for your image description, any description. I won't go into too much detail, but Midjourney there's a free version and a paid version. It's better you get a paid version. It's like $8 a month. As you can see, there's images and stuff being generated. You might get an error like this saying, now we can't give you trial version right now, please sign up. But this is where we're going to generate our images. You can watch more videos on YouTube about Midjourney. So once you generate the image, you can download the image. You can download it in any format or any size, and then once you download your images, save them somewhere, because we're going to be going somewhere to compile our book now. Over to canva.com, and in the search box, search for storybook. When you search for storybooks, you'll see at the bottom there will be another tab written storybooks, and click on that tab on kids storybook. And then you'll see all the templates. There's different templates to choose from. You can choose any template. These are the templates we'll use to compile our book. So then you'll go to ChatGPT and copy the first part of the story and copy it to Canva. So once you choose the template for your story in Canva, and then we copied the text from ChatGPT, the first part of the introduction. And what we'll do now, we'll paste it on the first page. So here in Canva, you can play around with text, bold, color. There's lots of font styles you can play around to make your reading book look fancy for children. So we'll move it, we'll align it. Remember your picture we got from Midjourney, we'll paste it here as the background. As you can see, we're pasting it, we're aligning it. So you'll do this for all the parts of the story. Chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how you'll build your storybook. You can build a storybook very fast with this. So as you can see, we got our picture in the background, and then now we just have to make our text visible. Let's make our text visible. We'll make it any color so that the user can see what's going on. And yeah, this is visible. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video.